Traditional chicken biryani recipe. Curry rice fire biryani is a flavorful and aromatic rice dish made with basmati rice, meat, chicken, lamb, or beef, and a blend of spices. Here's a simple and delicious chicken biryani recipe. Ingredients. For marination, 500 g chicken, bone-in, cut into pieces. 1 cup yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt to taste. For rice, 2 cups basmati rice, soak for 30 minutes. For cups water, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms. Salt to taste. For biryani masala, 2 tablespoons oil/ghee, 2 onions, thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 green chili, optional, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a cup milk, optional, a few saffron strands, soaked in warm milk, fresh coriander and mint leaves. Instructions. Step 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix chicken with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, lemon juice, and salt. Cover and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, preferably 2 to 4 hours for better flavor. Step 2. Cook the rice. In a pot, boil 4 cups of water and add soaked basmati rice, cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamoms, and salt. Cook until the rice is 70 to 80% cooked. Grain should be firm. Drain and set aside. Step 3. Prepare the biryani masala. Heat oil/ghee in a pan. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Add cumin seeds, chopped tomatoes, green chili, and all the spices. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Add marinated chicken and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is tender. Step 4. Layer the biryani. In a large pot, layer half of the cooked rice. Add the cooked chicken mixture on top. Add fresh coriander, mint leaves, and saffron milk. Cover with the remaining rice and drizzle some ghee on top. Step 5. Dum cooking, slow cooking. Cover the pot with a tight lid or seal it with dough. Cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to mix. Let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Serve and enjoy. Party popper. Fluff the rice gently and serve your delicious chicken biryani with raita, yogurt sauce,